So from the number of bags I have, you can tell how much I like this exhibition. It's a brilliant exhibition. I think the designers, they have very good collection. They're priced very well, and I think outstanding stuff, outstanding collection.
यहाँ पे हमारे पास बहुत सारे दुबई बेस्ड क्लाइंट्स आते हैं, डिफरेंट नेशनैलिटीज़ के लोग, अमीरातीज़ एंड इंडियंस एंड और भी नेशनैलिटीज़ के लोग आते हैं जो हमारे ब्रांड्स को आके अप्रिशिएट करते हैं और हमसे आके ख़रीदारी करते हैं। लोग यहाँ पे काफ़ी हमारे ब्रांड का वेट करते हैं और हमें बहुत अच्छा लगता है दुबई में आके यहाँ पे एग्जिबिट करना।
We're trying to promote the artisans back home. There's so much talent back home, and we're trying to give them a bigger international market here. And people love the stuff here. Sab pooch rahe hote hain, and they're asking where it's from, and we're really proud to represent our country here.
This is what I've shopped. I think they're amazing collections. All of you should visit someday. This is my first time, and it's amazing to shop.